Welcome to Mom Minutes. I'm Kate with Connect Point Moms, and I want to help you create and build stronger connections with the children in your life. In this Mom Minute, I'm going to talk about fun. Unfortunately, fun is usually last on a mom's list, if it's there at all. But fun is crucial to building strong connections between you and your child. Would you be willing to try this? Get into your child's world for a moment. Get down on his level and enter his world with blocks or Legos or her world with the dolls. Join their imagination. Let everything that's on your to-do list just fall away. Be in the moment with your child and have fun. If you want to go deeper with the relationships in your life, go to connectpointmoms.com/gift and learn the one simple practice that will help you do this for free.